Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool, which will make the job much easier. Always ensure the engine has completely cooled down before you begin working to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts, so make sure you get them all before attempting to remove the unit. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into place and loosely install its mounting bolts. Do not tighten them fully yet. Next, reconnect all electrical wires and the main power cable, ensuring each connection is secure and tight. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it is correctly routed around all pulleys according to the diagram. To finish up, tighten all the alternator mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. This ensures the alternator is securely fastened and prevents any future issues. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then start your vehicle to test the new alternator. Check for proper charging voltage, typically around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.